Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your English language grammar teacher. My name is Nusrat Ahmed. You all know. Today I'm going to explain about chapter 4. Okay, from chapter 4, page number 19 in your textbook, and the name of the chapter is countable plural nouns. Okay. First of all, let me tell you what is noun. We all know that name of anything is noun. It can be a name of place, it can be a name of a person, it can be a name of a thing. Okay. Now what is countable plural? Okay, countable means the noun that you can count. Understand? And plural means more than one. So if a noun you can count, it can be one or more than one. Okay, so I am going to explain about plural today. Okay, like regular and irregular plurals. I will only explain regular part today. Inshallah, in the next class I will explain the irregular part. Okay, countable nouns, as we already know, are those that we can count. Okay, I just explained it to you that countable nouns are those things or those names that we can count. Okay, they can be both singular and plural. Okay, if you can count anything, it can be in singular form or it can be also a plural form. Okay, nouns that indicate more than one thing, person, animal, place or idea called plural nouns. Okay, if any noun indicates you about more than one thing, one place or one person, it is plural noun. Okay, as far I know that from class 1 you came to know that about singular and plural. Singular is one and plural is more than one. So the noun that you can count can be two forms, in singular form and another form is plural form. Okay, now usually plural nouns are formed by adding the endings s, es or ies. Okay, normally we make a noun from singular to plural by adding s, es or ies on its end. Okay, but there are some rules, isn't it? Otherwise, how could you know that where should you add s, where should you add es, or where should you add ies? So if you want to make a singular noun to plural, you have to keep it in your mind that there are some rules to make it plural. Okay, so let me share the rules with you. The rule, by using those rules you can make a singular noun to plural. Okay, first of all, most nouns form plurals with s, like the very simple words cup, cups, fan, fans, dog, dogs, cat, cats. Okay, cow, cows. These things are very ring, rings. Okay, the word that ends with consonant. Okay, the word that ends with consonant is need only s to make it plural. Understand? Okay, there is another formula to make a singular noun to plural is nouns ending with consonant like. Okay, there are few consonants that if a word ends with it, you need to add es to make it plural. Which consonant are they? Okay, they are s, x, o, ss, ch or sh. Understand? I'm repeating it. S, X, O, SS, CH or SH. If a word ends with these letters or this consonant, you need to add ES to make it plural. Okay? Fine. Then let me give you some examples like bus, buses, box, boxes, class, classes, switch, switches, dish, dishes, tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes, and there are plenty of word. Okay, there are plenty of word that ends with s, x, o, sh, ss, ch. Okay, whenever you find these words to make plural, just put a es on the end of this word and make it plural. Okay, there is another rule to make a singular noun to plural. If you get a word which is ending with y. Okay, there are two rules to make a word from singular to plural if the word ends with y. Okay, first of all, keep it in your mind that if the word is ending with Y and there is a vowel before the Y, you need to do and you do not need to do anything, just put a S or add a S with the end of the word and make it plural. Okay, and if you find a word that is ending with Y and there are consonant before the Y, you need to remove the Y, put a I instead of the Y and add es to make the word plural. Understand? Okay, like let me give you an example, which is Ellie. A-L-E-Y, Ellie. So before Y there is E, which is a vowel. So in that case you need to add only a S to make it plural. But there is a word called colony, C-O-L-O-N-Y, colony. Before Y there is O, which before Y there is a N, which is a consonant. So you need to remove the Y, write a I instead of Y and add ES to make it plural. Am I clear to you? Inshallah, in the next class I will explain the rest of the chapter. Allah Hafiz.